Well, hello and welcome. If you're just joining me, welcome to Move Over Mozart. Now, if you've been following along with me since the first day of December, you know that we are learning a new piece every day for the first 25 days of December. So let's get stuck in and let's find out what piece we are going to be learning today. So for the 11th of December, we're going to be learning the piece, let's see. Ooh, It Came Upon the Midnight Clear. Now, this is a beautiful song, and I know we are going to have a wonderful experience learning this piece together. So before we continue, I want to introduce myself. My name is Monta Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. Now, this 25-day challenge is just a little way of me saying happy holidays from my family at Move Over Mozart to your family. Now, this could look like a little bit of a challenge, and it can be for some, but also it's for people who are new to piano, complete beginners, or some beginners with a little bit of experience. Or are you that person who just wants to be able to sit down at your piano and play for your friends and family? Well, this is the perfect opportunity for you. There's a free download, and download that right now because we're going to play our song and you can play along with me. It's that simple. Some of the pieces we're learning might be familiar to you and some of them might be new to you, but I guarantee there is a piece that everyone will enjoy playing. Now, if you need a little bit more help, there are lessons that go into more detail, and this is how we practice our pieces. First of all, we play our right hand alone, and then we play our left hand alone. And then we play our hands together. Now, at any point in the lesson, if you have a comment or question, just leave them down below for me and I will get back to you. Now, because this is a bit of a jam-packed month, be sure to hit the subscribe notification bell because you will not want to miss one day of this 25-day challenge. And of course, subscribe because there are lots of wonderful music tips and tricks just for you. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. Now, if you are ready to start making some wonderful holiday music, then let's begin. And now for It Came Upon the Midnight Clear.